In step 2, you see a few of the villains from the Plaza Patata book series. I'm going to tell you now who they are. At the top is Raul. He used to be an inventor, together with Daddy Howard. But because their inventions weren't any good, they had to stop. Now, Raul is jealous of Daddy Howard because he inherited a big farm. He wants to do everything he can to make the restaurant fail. You encounter Raul in several episodes of Plaza Patata. This is the coffee lady from the Plaza Patata book, the theater nut. She wants to kidnap Mom so she can live as the famous singer herself. Will she be unmasked in time? And this is the angry grandma. You find her in the book, A Poisonous Intruder. She says she's coming to help with the restaurant, but meanwhile she's trying to poison the guests. They find rabbit droppings in the soup and marbles in the party pastries. That's just not normal, right? This is Mo, Camille's friend from the book Horse Danger. He says he wants to join the horseback ride, but meanwhile, Luna and Lisa discover that he's carrying a sword. That he's just waiting until they're deep enough in the woods before he strikes. But then, he doesn't know the girls yet. This is the Sniffer from the Plaza Patata double book, which was released in a dyslexia-friendly font. It's a celebration because Plaza Patata is 5 years old. But why is this man sneaking around so mysteriously? Luna and Lisa are convinced he wants to attack their father. They'll do whatever it takes to stop him. And this is Woden, Fiona's fierce dog. It's always a shock when he comes running at you, barking, ready to bite. Keep an eye out because you'll happen to encounter Woden in several different episodes of Plaza Patata throughout the series.